So, my name is Thirunhar Yugandhar, Assistant Professor of Botany, Government Degree College, Maibad. Today, I am discussing the protoplast culture, protoplast fusion, somatic hybridization. What is the meaning of protoplast? The protoplast is a which liquid protoplasm consisting of plasma membrane is called protoplast. The cell is basically divides into the two parts, cell wall and protoplast. The protoplast is always enclosed the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Inside of the plasma membrane, fluid jelly-like mass is called protoplasm. The protoplasm enclosed the semi-permeable membrane is called plasma membrane or cell membrane. So, which is a where is a what is a cell biology? Structurally, functionally, developmentally, evolutionary, and hereditary studies in the called as cell biology. So, in the cell biology, a cell is a structurally functional basic unit of living organism. The cell is capable to grow on nutrient medium under the aseptic condition to give a new organism. Without cell wall, when cultured on artificial media or tissue culture medium, it may be gives rise a complete organism is called protoplast culture. What is the meaning of protoplast culture? So this protoplast culture, we are discussing the introduction, protoplasmic isolation, two types of protoplast isolation, mechanic and enzymatic. Next one, protoplast fusion, culture of the protoplast, importance, application, advantages and disadvantages of the protoplast fusion. Then factors affecting the protoplast culture and future of protoplast. So this is also the major discussing this today. I submitting the video lesson. So what is a protoplast? The protoplast are cells which cell wall are removed and cytoplasm membrane is the outermost layer in such cells. Cytoplasmic membrane or cell membrane. During fusion, two or more protoplasts come to contact and either with one another, either spontaneously or in presence of fusion induced agent. So during the cell wall is removed, the protoplast is each under two or three protoplast is combined to attaches to each other. Then it can maybe fusion. By protoplast fusion is possible to transfer some useful genes from one species to another genes. The protoplast may be transferred to inside of the protoplast genetical material of chromosome or chloroplast gene or mitochondria gene is transferred to the other protoplast cells is called somatic hybridization. Somatic means two vegetative cells which can be fusion of genetical material of chloroplast DNA or mitochondrial DNA, nuclear genome, which are maybe fusion. The protoplast fusion is an important tool in strain improvement. These are the powerful techniques for engineering of microbial strains for desirable industrial properties. So this the protoplast fusion is a maybe great importance role in crop production or crop improvement, which are qualitatively, quantitatively desirable plants production. So then it is the protoplast is a naked cell surrounded by a plasma membrane. It can regenerate its cell wall, grow and divide. So it is a fungal but can be cultured and grow into a whole plant. Cells can originate from any type of the tissues. Means any type of leaf tissues, root tip tissues, shoot tip tissues, meristem tissues, any tissues which can be isolated the cell, and each cell wall is degenerated or distinguished by enzymes Then cell wall is removed, protoplast is come outside. That is called protoplast isolation. It is an important crop production, crop improvement. Then it can formation of somatic hybridization. Now hybrids are produced is usually biotechnologist, microbiologist, pathologist. Somatic hybridization was firstly conducted by a Carlson in Nicotina glauca, Nicotina tubacum plant. First time Carlson scientist was used to somatic hybridization experiment was successfully conducted. It is a first milestone in tissue culture. So in 1960, E.C. Cocking contributed to the enzymatic isolation and culture of protoplast. In 1960, Cocking scientist was the first attempted protoplast isolation and cultured on neutral medium to give rise a protoplast isolated plants are there. That is also. So then protoplast isolate refer to the separation of protoplast from plant tissues. First you separation. Separation means the cleaned explants of leaf, shoot tip, root tip is cleaned with water, double distilled water, and also mercury chloride and also bromine water. Then sodium hypochlorite. Even then it can reagents are taken to cleaning external surface of the proto explant. So then the important isolated, valuable and uninjured protoplast as gently and as quickly as possible involved in two methods, mechanical and enzymatic methods. First you mechanical methods. The tissues is immersed in 1.0 m sucrose. 1.0 mole sucrose solutions are immersed of root tip or shoot tip or any part of the plant tissues. The protoplast is shrunk away from their enclosing cell wall. Plasmolysis takes place. The protoplast is enclosing out of the cell wall. That is called a plasmolysis. Plasmolyzed tissue is cut with a sharp knife at such a thickness that only cell walls are cut. So here below the figure, so then the white color, the protoplast is comes outside when the sunken cells. The protoplast is isolated cells are which can be sharp knife at such thickness that cell wall is cutting. Then it can isolate the protoplast passing away. So this one mechanical methods. So under undamaged protoplast in strips are released by osmotic fillings when placed in a low concentration of sucrose solution. Then high concentration solution is a plasmolysis takes place. So low concentration sucrose solution which can important to release outside of the rupturing of the protoplast or cell wall is a rupture. The problem encountered, some cells release uncut complete protoplast while the rest produce broken dead protoplast. While broken dead protoplast, dead means the inactive protoplast is also called release outside. This is also mechanical methods. The enzymatic methods refers the use of enzymes to dissolve the cell wall for releasing protoplast. The protoplast comes outside with help of the 1m sucrose solutions. The plasmolysis takes place. That protoplast is not impurity protoplast released outside. But then pure protoplast comes outside which can follow to the enzymatic methods. The enzymes are when we added to the tissues or leaf or shoot tip tissues, then cell wall is ruptured to comes outside the protoplast. This is refers to the use of enzymes to dissolve the cell wall for releasing protoplast. Advantages used for variety of tissues and so organs such as fruits. The fruits is a which can enzymatic method. Roots, petioles, leaves, which is also advantages of enzymatic methods are best suitable particle. Osmotic shrinking is a minimum. Cells remain intact and not injured. Protoplast readily obtained. So these enzymes are added, the protoplast is ready to obtain. It involves in two methods, direct method, sequential methods. The enzymatic methods are two types. First one step only to release outside the protoplast. Two steps may be released out of the postplast. First you direct method you follow. The direct methods, incubation of leaf segments overnight in enzyme solution. The leaf or shoot tip or any part of the cleaned explains are incubation with enzymes. Enzyme concentration depends. The incubated leaf or other excipients release out of the protoplast when that part that leaf is incubation in throughout night. Mixture is filtered and centrifuged. That after next day the mixture is a comes out. That mixture is a filtered, and the filtering particle is called protoplast. Non-filtering particles are cell walls. The protoplast forms pellets, round shaped structures of pellets, then washed with sorbitol and recentrifuged. Clean protoplast float. They are a pipette outside. The protoplast is also got a first one you take that filtered after overnight. The overnight incubated leaf segment solution is next day it is a filtered. After filtered, then small protoplast pellets are appeared in the filtered solution. Then washed with sorbitol and recentrifuged. Clean protoplast is afloat. They are a pipette outside to take the pipette outside. So this is also the first method, direct methods. Only single step methods or one step methods. The second one is a two step methods. The enzymes mixture A and mixture B are used one after the other. First mixture A, second mixture A. And this is the two steps. The leaf segments with mixture A, so macrozyme is manifold at pH 5.8 are vacuumed in filtered for 5 minutes, transferred to a water bath at 25 degrees centigrade and subjected to slow sinking. The leaf segments are directly not sinking into the overnight. Only leaf segments are directly mixture with added to the macrozyme enzyme. pH 5.8 macrozymes enzymes are added or vacuumated infuted for 5 minutes, transferred to a water bath at 25 degrees centigrade and subjected to slow sinking. The enzymes mixture is then replaced by fresh enzymes mixture A and leaf segments are incubated for another hour. First enzymes are added to filtered. Then after filter solutions are added to the second enzymes mixture added. So these are two type of the enzymes. Same type of the enzymes are added. So purification of protoplast. Protoplast are purified the removing undigested material debris. So also called a buster protoplast, also called enzymes. So the protoplast mixture of three type of the liquids are there. Undigested material, buster protoplast, enzymes protoplast. They are there. So debris are removed by filtering and preparation through a nylon mesh. Debris are removed. Debris is also called waste substances or undigested materials which are removed through the filtering the nylon mesh. Nylon mesh cloth is filtered. The debris undigested protoplast is a passes upside. Then digested protoplast is a passes inside of the nylon cloth into the conical flask. This is also matter. Enzymes are removed by centrifugation, whereby the protoplast settles to the bottom of the tub and the supertent removed with the help of the pellets or pipettes. The supernatant is taken out without the pipettes. So intact protoplasts are separated from broken protoplasts through centrifugation and removed by pipettes as they are collected at top of the tube. So then after total filtered the pipette out of the total the protoplast from the conical plast. This is also purification. The purification is a major important for the nylon mesh. The nylon mesh is which can separation of the three types of extents or excess. So this undigested materials and brusted protoplast enzymes. Three is removed from the protoplast, that is called purified protoplast. The purified protoplast is a must used in culture. Protoplast culture. Isolated pure protoplast can be cultured in a so appropriate medium to reform cell wall and generate callus. So appropriate means that is also suitable. The suitable type of the mediums are prepared before protoplast isolation. The medium is a which can use different type of the different type of the media compositions. The optimal culture conditions here, optimal density to culture, optimal such as the cytokine ratio, glucose and sucrose ratio, so depends on protoplast response. The glucose or sucrose, it is our carbon sources. The carbon sources are major important role for the protoplast is a response space and callus formation. Maintains the osmoprotectant in the medium temperature 20 to 28 degrees centigrade, pH 5.5 to 5.9, 0.25% calcium hydrolyzed, BAP and NAA, BAP benzyl aminopyro, naphthalene acetic acid. This two is when we added to the medias. It can the protoplast isolation part is after few days it can be modified, it can be converted into the callus. So this is also protoplastic cultures. The culture of the protoplast cultured in a suitable nutrient medium first generated a new cell wall. The formation of complete cell wall with a wall is followed by an increase in size, number of cell organelles and induction of the cell division. The formation of the complete cell with the wall is followed. First wall formation, then increase in size of the protoplast, then number of cells organelles and induction of cell divisions. The first cell division may occur within 2 to 7 days of culture. So after culturing, 2 to 7 days are culture response, resulting in small clumps of a cell, also known as a microcolony, within 1 to 3 weeks. 1 to 3 weeks, the similar number of colonies are formation. That is also small size of cells formation. So culture of the protoplast. From such clumps, there are two roots generated complete plant. Depending on the species, plants are regenerated through organogenesis from callus masses. The microcalli can be made to be developed into somatic embryos, which are then converted into the whole plants to germinates. The microcalli can be made into the development of the somatic embryos. So the callus is after few days, the small type of the blue color or green color embryos formation. The embryos are isolated and shifted into the new media or fresh media. It may be developed into the new plant, that is called somatic hybrid plant. So this is also called enzymes. The enzymes are the plant cells. Enzymes, plant cell is a cellulose, also pectinose, also called a macrozymes, which is also important for the enzymes which can act it. So importance of the protoplastic culture, study of osmotic behavior. The osmotic behavior studies, it is important role. Study of IO actions. Indole acetic action is which can take place in the protoplast isolation. Study of plasma lemma nature, plasma lemma activities, also studies in isolation of protoplast. Study of cell wall formation, organelle isolation, study of morphogenesis, virus uptake and replications, study of a photosynthesis, so gene transfer. So these are all type of the importance characters to studies when isolated protoplast by the protoplastic isolation or culture. So this is also summary of isolation and protoplastic culture. Isolation and protoplastic culture. So this is also one type of the plant. So the plant is which can cutted into the leaf particles. The leaf is a stripes cut into the small pieces. The small pieces, the leaf small pieces are taken into the watch glasses or cover slips. Then add into the microzyme enzymes or pectinase enzymes. Also, the pectinase enzymes are which removed outer cell walls. Then, inside of the nuclear structure is also taken, pipette out the liquid size of the pellets, which is poured into the nylon mesh. Then, after nylon mesh, three type of the waste substances are removed. The purified protoplast is taken into the tissue culture media, which is special type of the media. That media contains a sucrose or glucose or Na or BAP. And Na and BAP, which is also growth formation. After few days, callus formation. The callus, all type of the cells are not similar. Few cells are green in color, which can capable to the development of the new plant. That cell is somatic embryos. The somatic embryos are which can give rise a new plant. The somatic IPD plant, the somatic embryos which release the plant comes from the protoplast isolation. So this is the total summary of isolation of protoplast. So this one factors affecting protoplastic culture. How many type of the factors? The 5 major type of the factors influence to the protoplastic culture. Plant species and varieties. Small genetic difference leads to the varying protoplast response to culture conditions. Small genetic differences leads to varying protoplast. Varying means the different type of the protoplast response to culture conditions. Plant age and organs. The age and organ is a major important for easily isolation, successful isolation. Age of donor plant and is a developed to the stage. Stages are germination, embryos are planted leaves. Then pre-culture conditions. Protoplast cultures are highly influenced by the climatic factors and different cultures of seedling yields protoplast having different response when cultured. Pre-culture or means that a protoplast culture is influenced by climatic temperature, rainfall, humidity, and water, and also air, which influence to the leaf or explained activity depends takes place. Explained activity. This one third one. The fourth one, pre-treatment of the tissues or before isolating protoplast. The cold treatment is major important. Means that expands are which kept on the freezer at the 4 degrees centigrade. That expands are more expands than not kept in the freezer expect. The cold treatment, plasmolysis and hormone increases the chance of recovery of viable protoplast and their planning of efficiency. So then chances of recovery available protoplast. So this one density. Then crucial as it influenced plating efficiency and surveying of protoplast. At higher density, the protoplast compete with one another, while at lower density, losses of metabolites from protoplast is more. So this is also 5 type of the factors are major important role for protoplast isolation. So then the protoplast isolation and second next one is the protoplast fusion. Means two different leaf expands, two different species of leaf expands are isolated protoplast are mixed to form a protoplast fusion takes place. The protoplast fusion techniques are 3 types: ectofusion, polyethylene glycol induced fusion, high calcium and high pH. The 3 techniques are must follow to isolated protoplasm may be fused. Electrofusion. The mild electrical stimulating is being used to fuse protoplast. 2 glass capillary microelectrodes placed in a contact with the protoplast. An electric field of the low strength give rise to the dielectrodes pole generated within the protoplast suspension. This leads to the PL chain arrangement of the protoplast. And the power is passing to the electrodes, the plus anode and cathodes. So then anode cathodes are the inside of the two different stains or species of protoplasts also come close and fusion to each other. So it leads it the protoplast within a PL with depends upon the populations. So density and protoplast and is a distance between that electrodes. The electrodes the difference distance. The subsequent applications of a high intensity electrodes in plus for the some microseconds. So results to the electrode breakdown to the membranes and subsequent fusion. So this one a few seconds which can come and fusion to each other. There are two types of the current so that are used here. So AC or alternating current, direct current. Alternating current is 0.5 to the 0.5 mHz. So and held strength is 30 to 300 volts. So then direct current is also got 5 US or field strength is also 500 to 1000 voltage. Apply AC, so then the PL regions DC, so poles form fusion is, so this one fusion and so then the two protoplast isolated parts are fusion with the help of the power that anode and cathode activity, that is called electrofusion. The electrofusion is also here figures. So this electrofusion is the so two different type of the protoplast is isolated protoplast is a come close. Then PEG, polyethylene glycol fusion. So this chemical has been identified as a possible fusion. So this is also best type of the chemical fusions. Fusions means it can capable to the fusion to two different isolated protoplasts. It has a high molecular weight about 1500 to 60,000. Usually a PEG solution of about 28 to 50% is used for protoplast fusion. So this polymer binds to the lipid membrane of cells and then induced fusion. Fusion takes place for a 45 minutes in the PEG or phosphoenol glycogen or plasma ethylene glycol. So it is a fusion takes place slowly due to liquid culture medium. So here also fusion. So this one figure having that is a two isolated protoplasts which can help of the fusion polyethylene glycol. So this is also polyethylene glycol protoplast fusions are there. Classical class practical results. So application of the protoplast. So third protoplast isolation is a not majorly uses. Only two types. Then electroporation. Second one is called PEG method. Polyethylene glycol methods. So these two type of the protoplast isolated parties when we cultured in the tissue culture tube. That two protoplast isolated parties which can go in takes place, that is somatic hybrid plant. Application of protoplast. Then protoplast can be used in the production of hybrid for somatic application to overcome sexually incapable species. See, ingesting foreign material into the cytoplasm for DNA transformation. So it is used to the study well synthesis and decomposition studied as a single cell system. So it is also mainly main type of the applications are here. That is also protoplast production of the hybrid. Hybrid contain a nuclear and cytoplasmic genome of one patent and only the cytoplasmic genome of the second patent. And the two patent parents are there. First parent is also got a cytoplasmic genome of one patent. Second one cytoplasmic genome of other patent. So both are it can be classes. So that is also got a, so it is also first one is the hybrid response and hybrids. The hybrids are which can different to the hybrids. Somatic hybridization fusion of protoplast that facilitates the mixing of two whole genomes and could be expelled crosses each other. And isolated two protoplasts is when we fusion two whole genomes are which could be exploited crosses each other. Two genomes are exploited. So it is also intergenic or interkingdom and interspecies level. Somatic hybridization is used for produce hybrid from sexually incompatible species. Somatic hybridization is used to produce hybrid plant. Hybrid. Then sexually incompatibility. And so then it is also sexual not important. Only somatic character is different to each other. These two somatic hybrid plants characters are combined to produce a new somatic hybrid plant. This method could also be used to study of selection procedure. Selection for the selection of procedure. The somatic hybridization plant is there. So this one is a two different leaf expands. The two different leaf expands are isolated protoplast. The protoplast is isolated and cultured. Then cultured to the growing to the embryos. These embryos are which can shift to the new media, fresh media that may be that can be developed into the new organisms or new plant. That is somatic hybrid plant. So limitation of somatic hybrid. So intergeneric crosses between widely related to the plants which are not capable sexual are not possible. Intergeneric species does not crosses in sexually, but it can crosses in somatic hybridization. Intergeneric. So this is one character. The intergeneric crosses are successfully development successfully takes place with the help of the somatic hybridization process. Somatic hybridization techniques. So in certain wide crosses, elimination of the chromosome from hybrid cell is another limitation of somatic hybridization. The certain wide cross. Wide cross means one wide plant, second one is called second one is called local or native plants or cultivated plants. So the two different plants, protoplast is isolated and crosses each other. So the chromosomes. So this elimination of the chromosome from hybrid cells is another limitation of somatic hybridization. In protoplast fusion experiments, the percentage of fusion between two different parental protoplasts is very low. In protoplast fusion experiment is a very low, means not easily fusion to each other. It may be hard process, but sometimes are successfully. Means so less number of the plant species are may be crosses to each other. Each of the somatic generations or somatic hybridization formation. The protoplast fusion experiment is a procedure. Percentage of fusion between two different parental protoplasts is very low. For hybrid identification, selection and isolation at the culture level, there is no standardization method which is applicable for all material. No standardization which is applicable, but few organisms are maybe crosses successfully. Remaining organism not successfully. This is also one important. Then ingestion of the foreign material. The protoplast wall less show high pinocytes. So which is also DNA and plasmation, bacteria, viruses, etc. Which advantages is the plant materials are getting into the crop variations. Advantage of protoplast. So the facilities are the mixing of two genomes can be used as a crosses interspecific or intergeneric or even intraspecific levels. Interspecific, intergeneric, intraspecific. The three types of plants successfully crosses in protoplast fusion. So to create a new strains with desirable properties and for strain improvement. Mixing two genomes open the door, the gene transfer and a study of gene expression, stability of several traits and cell genetic changes. So this is also disadvantages. So during the mechanical methods of isolation, the protoplast it is a very small amount of protoplast operated rather than deposition. Only small amount of the protoplast is also may be fission, remaining not fission. This is also disadvantage one. It is not suitable for isolating protoplast formation and the vacuolation loss. So not isolated. That isolation is not required, not takes place in few species of the plants. How to crosses each other is impossible. So then, first isolated is successfully, it can maybe crosses to each other by protoplast fission. During the subsequent the digestion of the cell wall, the protoplast become very sensitive to osmotic stress. Thus, cell wall and protoplast storage must be done in osmotic solutions. The prevent rupture of the plasma membranes. So this is also rupture plasma membranes takes place. So this is also the feature the protoplast fission and culture. The protoplast fission part is which isolated and in cultured in test tubes. It's a small green color, so the different shapes, heart shape and a lobed shape, and also called a so dynamic shapes are dumbbell shape of a small size embryo formation. That embryos are cultured in, it gives rise a new plant form. That is a future. The future with the protoplast fusion and cultures. Protoplast up to now. The transfer of useful genes from one species to another. The technique is a stain improvement for bringing genetic recombinations. So this technique is a major important genetic recombinations. Means the sexual reproduction parts is a not genetic recombination more, but protoplast fusion part is sexual recombinant characters are more. Means genetically recombinated more process, more percentage is occurs in protoplast fusion plants. Techniques used in a microbial engineer new strains produced for a industrial purpose. Protoplast fusion used by a molecular biologist. First one. Second one biotechnologist. Third one tissue culturist. Fourth one industries. Then four type of the person, say group of person, it can be covering or preparing protoplast fusion to develop a somatic hybrid plants. So alcohol in somatic hybridization process, so alcohol production is important. The creation of the new strain of Saccharomyces from Saccharomyces. So stains. So these stains are the stains are depends on the stains are depends on fossil fruits. Fossil fruits stains from a Solanum purum, and it can be produced a low carbohydrates beer of a stable or accepted flowers. So it is a produced into the better beer. The beer formation is also better in alcohol productions, crop productions. So then the palm oil production. It is a largest sources of edible oil before soybean oil in the world. Con- Contributes 31%, 31.8% of the world production of oils and fats. Takes 8 years to fully grow and production of the fruits. Protoplastic culture helps to grow the trees faster to satisfy. So the increasing demands plant rates obtaining within 2 years. So this is also one important. Then citrus, subtropical fruits crop in world. Citrus, since citrus reticulata, new seedless citrus fruit formation. This hybrid faster than citrus breeding, in the crop productions of the somatic hybridization plants. Crop production, the data, the date food productions, Phoenix and Dictolifera, Ether చెట్టు. So Danger two and Taker Bouch, two varieties. So Danger now excellent. Taker Bouch are resistant against void diseases. Combination and give new strain protoplast fission. So this is also called data food productions. Potato productions. Solana tuberosum, Solana brevidens, incapability. Protoplast fusion to introduce resistance to potato leaf roll virus. Then hybrid shows resistance and were female fertilized. So this is also major important productions of crop productions. So lastly, it may be conclusions of this topic. In a so next, il protoplast culture has found its many uses and applications in fields such as genetic engineering and crop breeding, genetic engineering means GM crop production is it is a most uses are most important. The genetic transformation by induction of transgenes, DNA somatic aberration by protoplast fusion of a species or a subspecies resistant to the traditional crossbreeding and isolation of subcellular organelles are all examples of how to development of the protoplast system has led to an increase in the versatility of plants. The total genetic engineering and so crop breeding it is also major important for the protoplast isolation, protoplast fusion, somatic aberration. The three type of the techniques are most important in genetic engineering plant industrialist. It is an important technique for microbiologist, biotechnologist, tissue culturist, industries. So this four is also important. So thank you very much for this. So this is also called a microemulsion process, which is also important for the photoplasm fusion experiments.